Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn functions. So we are going to define a function named sum, which is going to add two numbers, and we will call it through parameters. It means we are passing it two parameters and then our function will be called. So let's move. So function definition here: integer sum we are going to take two values from our user. Now we are going to pass these values to our function. We are calling it here, we are calling the sum function here, passing the parameters. Now enter two values. The sum is 11. So we pass these two parameters to our function, which return their sum in this statement. So you can call function to any other function. So function can be called inside another function, inside any statement, or inside our main function. So what happened if we have void here? So we have to remove this statement and we have to use this statement here. So we have to pass these two values, which is parameters x and y, to our function sum. Let's run. Two values. So the result is same, but the difference is only this: if you need to store the result of your function returned by your function, you can use a return type. But if you don't need to store its result or use it in any further step, so you can use void here. If a function is receiving parameters and you don't pass it parameters, what happened? You will encounter an error. So if a function is receiving parameters, you must have to pass it. So this type of call is called call by parameters. This type of call is called calling a function by passing parameters, or call by parameters.